Hello everyone, in this short video we will learn how to install PhpMyAdmin so that we can have a visualization on the databases and tables of Nagios XI. And if we want to check the same from CLI, we can do using the MySQL command line, that is MySQL u root -p Nagios XI, and it will enter into the MariaDB console. And if I just write show databases, it will provide me the database. Currently there are 7 databases exist: information schema, MySQL, Nagios QL, Nagios XI, performance schema, and test. Now if I want to select Nagios XI, I can just write use Nagios XI. So database has been changed, and if I write show tables, I can get a view of the tables such as users, metadata, sessions, options, MIBs. And if I want to get the list of MIBs, so I can just write select command, select star from XI MIBs. So these are the MIBs that is installed in Nagios XI. So this is the command line method, but here our objective is to install PhpMyAdmin. So for that, let me clear my screen. I will just run that yum-y install epel release. So epel release has already installed a latest version. So the next command is to update the system. So all the packages are updated. Now I will run yum install phpMyAdmin -y. So phpMyAdmin page is installed. The next step is to view the configuration file, which is cd etc httpd. And if I do an ls, I will get an option called conf.d. I will move to the conf.d section, and if I do an ls, I will get a page called phpMyAdmin.conf. If I do a vi phpMyAdmin, I will get this page. Whether I can see 4 lines called require IP and allow from. Now, if I want to access this page, so let me show you. Let me copy the IP from here, and if I do php my ad, so currently you can see you don't have permission to access phpMyAdmin on this server. So for that, what I will do, I will again open phpMyConf. In place of this, I will put my public IP address over here. So it's done. Now escape WQ quit. So next I will do systemctl restart HTTP. Once it's done, go back to the page and just refresh it. It will open. The password is root. Sorry, username is root and the password is Nagios XI. And you will get all these tables. If I just do Nagios SQL, you can see what are the tables are there, what are the command are there. So these are the command that we generally use: notify host by email, notify services by email, check host alive. This is the command section actually. So you can create greater visibility on the Nagios SQL or XI or Nagios databases. So that's a short video of it, and hope you enjoyed learning this one. And please feel free to subscribe, like, and share, or any other feedback. Thank you. Thanks for watching.